Hey guys, just coming out this morning to check and see. Look at the snow. It was like sleet and ice earlier. I don't know if you can see this or not. This is all snow on top of this ice. This is still on my carport. It blowed in. I got up about 3 o'clock and it was really coming down. The sleet was rain, freezing rain. Now we're getting snow. Holy cow, big old flakes. Ooh, gosh. Big. See how big the flakes are. Huge. Oh, wow. It's supposed to turn to rain after a while. I hope it does, because if it doesn't, this is nuts. I hear the birds. We had some coyotes out here last night. I'm going to go out here and see if there's tracks again since this... I think this freezing rain started late last night, so I'm going to see if there's any fresh tracks. I'll be back in a minute. You can see where the coyotes are trying to dig through the fence. There's some more over here. Yeah, I heard them last night. Oh, gosh. Oh, there's a hole over here, Selena. Yeah, they've made a hole right there. Dang. You see any more? Oh, golly. Ooh, gosh. Okay, guys, we'll be back in a second. Okay, chickies are doing good. Which one's this one, babe?
Which one?
The one at the feeder looking at us.
Brownie.
Brownie. And the black one, what you got her named?
Which one does she have?
The little
Does she have a
Anna.
cuff on her head? That's Mia.
Mia. What about this other one?
Ruby's the oldest.
Ruby. That's Ruby right there?
Yeah.
Okay, let me look at her.
She's healthy weight though, isn't she, for an older chicken?
Yeah, she's in good shape. She's making a mess. She's after them sunflower seeds and stuff. Hey, girl. She's peeping over. The others are in the hen house. They're getting a drink of water, I guess. Or just getting in and stay warm. They're doing good. We got to fix that fence here in a little bit, though. All right, guys, this is an update on the chickens. We was hoping the coyotes didn't get to them last night. You could hear them out here, though. They were out here for sure. So, I'm going to have to keep a close eye on them. All right, talk to you later.